Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw rental proceeds using Clever Real Estate, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Clever Real Estate account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Rental Proceeds section on the main menu. Click on the withdrawal option available in that section. You will see a summary of your available rental proceeds. Review the amount you wish to withdraw carefully. Next, select your preferred withdrawal method. This may include bank transfer or other payment options listed. Enter the necessary details for your chosen withdrawal method. Make sure to provide accurate banking information if you select a transfer. After entering your details, confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Then, review all the information to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, click on the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation prompt asking to verify your request. Confirm your withdrawal request to proceed. You will receive a notification once your request is processed. This may take a few business days depending on the method chosen. Once completed, you can check your account for the updated status. Be sure to monitor your email for any updates from Clever Real Estate. If you encounter any issues, visit the support section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.